Hello everyone. Have you ever noticed how people all over the world look different from one another, yet we all belong to the same species? Whether it's the shape of our eyes, the tone of our skin, or even the way our hair curls, we are united as Homo sapiens, that's HOMO space SAPIENS, meaning wise humans, but still we show wonderful differences. These differences within the same species are called variations. Even in the same race or tribe, each person carries unique features that set them apart. Isn't it fascinating how unity and diversity exist together in human populations? So, what exactly are variations? Variations are the small but noticeable differences among individuals of the same species. They could be in physical appearance, like height or hair color, or even in physiological processes, like how we taste or respond to light. For example, some people can roll their tongue into a U shape, while others cannot. That's a variation. And here's the amazing part: no two individuals, not even identical twins, are completely alike. Variations are nature's way of keeping every living being unique while ensuring adaptability and survival. Now, let's zoom into the family, the smallest unit of a population. Think about siblings in your own home. Don't they share some similarities with you but also show differences? One might be taller, another might have different hair texture. As we scale up to larger populations, these differences become even more visible. Yet, amidst all these differences, the shared characters bind us together as one human species. Isn't it beautiful how genetics creates both resemblance and individuality? Variations are not just limited to humans. Look around you, they are everywhere in animals and plants too. Dogs, for example, come in countless breeds, from a tiny Chihuahua to a massive Saint Bernard, yet all are the same species. Cows, cats, and buffaloes too have distinct breeds, each with their own features. Even plants show variations. Mango trees may produce different varieties with different flavors or fruit sizes. These differences, though small, are crucial in agriculture, breeding, and survival in ecosystems. Variations make life colorful and adaptable. In genetics, we use the terms character and trait to explain variations. A character is any inheritable feature, while traits are the alternative forms of that character. For instance, eye color is a character, but its traits can be brown or blue. Similarly, hair shape is a character, and its traits can be curly or straight. What we see outwardly as traits are actually controlled deep inside by our genes. Isn't it mind-blowing that tiny instructions within DNA decide whether your hair bounces in curls or flows straight? Humans inherit thousands of characters from their parents. Let's look at some common ones. Eye color is a character, and its traits may be brown or blue. Hair shape may be curly or straight. Eyebrows could be thick and bushy or fine and thin. Even the ability to roll your tongue into a U shape is a trait. Some can, some can't. These inherited characters explain why family members often resemble each other. Isn't it amazing how these little details connect generations together? Here are some more fascinating human traits. Color vision. Some have normal vision while others have red-green color blindness. Handedness. Some are right-handed while others are left-handed. Skin color can range from albinism, a total absence of pigment, to normal pigmentation in shades of light or dark. Even ear lobes can differ, some free, others attached. Lips can be thick or thin. And finally, blood groups, whether Rh positive or Rh negative. Each of these traits is inherited, showing how rich human variation truly is. Let's bring it all together. Variations are those small yet significant differences among individuals of the same species. They are found in humans, animals, and plants, everywhere in life. Characters and their traits explain how genetic information gets expressed in visible forms like eye color, hair texture, or even blood groups. Variations make us unique, ensure adaptability, and drive evolution. Isn't it wonderful to realize that while we all belong to one species, it is these variations that make each of us special? Biology truly celebrates both unity and diversity of life. Until next time, keep observing the living world around you, because every face, every leaf, every creature tells a story of genetic variation.